Welcome in this video. AGEX Airdrop. Okay, Airdrop is ongoing. You can participate anytime from anywhere. Okay, so no matter whatever country you are living, doesn't matter. In here there is stuff. So just you need to have internet access, and you need to have simple device. You can join by your mobile phone. Okay, so here is their informations has provided on Twitter in the upside Twitter in here, so you can check out them, as well as you can join their airdrop join link has provided in here. You can join immediately. Okay, so you need to have phantom wallet. You cannot do it by metamask. You need to have phantom wallet link in here. Just installs in your uh, extension browser phantom wallet. Okay, it is so simple. You can do that your way. Okay, so I will show you the task in here. Just I demonstrate you. I cannot show you fully. Okay, so here is indirect task would be this way. Pop-up of AGEX harvest. So here is they say it one thing. You need to remember that each user will receive 10 agree points for campaign completion. Points can be redeemed for agree tokens after TGE and dropped in winner Solana wallet. Okay, and dropped in winner Solana wallet 7th August to 23rd August. Okay, so today is 13 August, so you can do it 23 August until. So here is the simple task, social task you can do it multiple account as well. Okay, so this is the task, very simple. If you face any problem, just okay, I'm going to create live video about it. So 4-5 hours later, check out this video. Okay, this channel, you will get live video. So if you can do it yourself, you can definitely do it. Okay, so this task, first you need to connect your wallet in tapping by here. So just click this sign in. Here is phantom wallet is would be most I would say phantom wallet would be most appropriate in here. Okay, so this was the video, maybe that helped you a lot for participating in here. See you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.